For me, partnership is always about collaboration, right? So I've been always a big believer that collaboration is the way to get things done. But especially if you look at the world we are in today, right, where we have many issues in the society, we have as well many issues in the economy, we have actually navigating through a crisis, through the pandemic. I don't believe that any one of us can come up with a solution alone. I think we need all of us to really stand together and collaborate. So I believe that partnerships become even more relevant these days. Well, Fujitsu and SAP have a long history together. So we have been friends and partners for over 40 years now. And we have been always working on the leading edge of technology. We have been always combining the best of the best, right? If you look at SAP and Fujitsu, we are both companies that are obsessed with customer satisfaction and customer experience. With Fujitsu and with SAP, we are two friends. We are very strong partners, so the customers can be assured that we're going to put the best of two worlds together to convert them as well into intelligent enterprises.
No other company is more experienced than SAP and Fujitsu to transform your business. We have been doing this together over 40 years. We believe we are the best place to help you increase resilience, profitability, and sustainability to succeed. No matter where you are on your journey to digital transformation, Fujitsu is here to support you. By combining SAP technology with Fujitsu expertise, we can put intelligence at the heart of your organization.